Did you think you've seen everything in iOS 27 already? Think again. Here are 5 hidden iOS 27 features that Apple barely mentioned at WWDC. First, iOS 27 adds landscape mode to many more Apple apps. You can now rotate apps like music, podcasts, health, home, weather, reminders, Find My, and more into landscape view. This could be preparing iOS for future foldable iPhones. Second, FaceTime now supports dual capture on supported iPhone models. During a video call, you can show both yourself and what's in front of you using the front and rear cameras at the same time. Third, the Messages app gets a brand new drawing tool. Open the app drawer, tap the plus button, and choose Drawing to create sketches and handwritten notes directly inside conversations. Fourth, Apple introduced AI-powered bill splitting with Apple Cash. You can split expenses through Wallet, Messages, or even Siri AI, making it easier than ever to share costs with friends and family. And finally, iOS 27 includes several smaller improvements throughout the system that make everyday tasks faster and more convenient, even if they weren't featured on stage. Which of these hidden iOS 27 features is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iOS 27 tips and updates.